Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the construction update on the 700-kilometer coastal road which started from Lagos to Calabar. This construction has begun and this is the phase 1 of the construction. This part of the construction is ongoing and it's moving so rapidly fast that we are very sure that if they keep up to this pace, in the next 2 years, 3 years, this construction is going to be meeting its ending, and definitely it's going to be a great success. We wish the nation, the constructors, and also everyone involved in this update very good. There's not much to be said about this place, as you all can see already that the work is in progress. A lot of news have been circulating that this project is going to be abandoned. Some even went to the extent of saying that the project has been abandoned, which actually made it to the media. And this got a lot of Nigerians furious, and also people got angry, wondering if this project is going to be abandoned, why then did they demolish our fun centers? What did they mean by fun centers? That is the resort, the beach waters. These places were demolished because of the construction of this road. And if eventually this road don't get completed, it's going to be a waste of time and also loss of tourists in this part of the world. Nigeria is a big country and also one of the biggest in Africa. Lagos, being its former capital, is a place that is the only populated and most populated state in the whole of Africa. So come to think of it, do you know how many tourists come to Lagos every year? Do you know how many people come to Lagos because of the resorts and the fun, the festivals that they have to enjoy in this place? So it's gonna be a blessing if this road eventually gets completed and we get to experience better means of transportation. Mind you, this coastal road construction, by the left hand side is the Eco Atlantic, which is gonna have a new airport, American embassy, and also the army barracks when it is done. And it's also a tax-free area. That is going to be a double income and double blessing to the nation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification so that you'll be the first to watch my videos anytime I post. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. Glad to have you here. See you on my next video.